Welcome to Inert Chemistry. In today's video lecture, we discuss a very important topic, and our topic is penicillin. We will discuss its chemistry, mode of action, metabolism, and various subclasses of penicillin. Penicillin. First, we see the chemistry of penicillin. The penicillin consists of two rings. The first is thiazolidine ring and the second ring is beta-lactam ring. Thiazolidine ring, it is a 5-membered ring and it contains sulfur. As you see here, this A ring is thiazolidine ring and it contains sulfur, carbon, nitrogen, carbon and carbon. This 5-membered ring is thiazolidine. While the second ring, that is this ring B, it is called beta-lactam ring. It is a 4-membered ring and contains 3 carbon and 1 nitrogen. And a side chain R. This side chain R is variable and it is different in various subclasses of penicillins. The chemical structure of penicillin includes a thiazolidine ring A fused to beta-lactam ring B. Attached to the beta-lactam ring is a variable side chain, that is R group, and it differs among the various penicillin derivatives. All the penicillins has the basic structure shown in this following figure. Now we see the mode of action. All the penicillin antibiotics, they work by inhibiting cell wall synthesis or function. Now we see the metabolism of penicillins. Penicillin is a very large group of antibacterial drugs and it contains various subclasses. Most of the penicillins, they are not metabolized in humans. Means that their chemical structure is not changed. If you remember that in the previous video we discussed the metabolism of drugs. During the metabolism we had studied that during the metabolism there are two types of reactions, phase 1 and phase 2 reactions. During these reactions, different changes are made in the structure of a drug so that it becomes more polar and readily excreted from the body. But in case of penicillins, because they are very rapidly excreted from the body, so their chemical structure is not changed or they are not much metabolized in our body and they are readily eliminated from the body through urine. Most of the penicillins are excreted by the kidneys and small amounts are also excreted by other routes such as bile. About 10% of the renal excretion occurs through glomerular filtration and 90% by tubular secretion. If we talk about the half-life of penicillins, the normal half-life of penicillin is about 30 to 60 minutes. But in case of renal failure, its level increases or this time of half-life increases. Here again we have added this slide from ChatGPT, and it's something more about the metabolism of penicillin. Here it describes that the metabolism of penicillin in liver. Penicillin drugs are not extensively metabolized in the liver. However, a small fraction of some penicillin derivatives may undergo limited hepatic metabolism. There are many different subclasses of penicillin, but most of the penicillins are not undergo metabolism, but some classes are there that undergo various metabolic processes in liver. But penicillin and its derivatives are primarily excreted by the kidneys. The kidney filter the penicillin from bloodstream and eliminate it from the body through urine. This is the key route of elimination for penicillins. Here again you see that this is the structure of penicillin. It contains a 5-membered ring, that is thiazolidine, and a 4-membered ring, that is beta-lactam, and a variable R group. This R group is different in different subclasses of penicillin. For example, in case of penicillin G, the R group is this. Similarly, here you see the various R groups that attach to this basic structure and form the various subclasses of penicillin. You have to remember these: penicillin G, penicillin V. These are actually natural penicillins: oxacillin, decloxacillin, nafcillin, ampicillin, amoxicillin, and piperacillin. Thanks for watching this video. We will soon come with another video.